Turn a Notion page into a beautiful presentation with Gamma, the visual storytelling platform to create presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content with AI. Let's learn how. Start by making your Notion page accessible for Gamma to import it. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Publish, and copy your public Notion URL. Then go to gamma.app, create a free account, and click on Create New with AI. Click on Import File or URL, Import from URL, and paste the Notion page link. Then select Presentation as the format, and click Continue. Gamma extracts all the content from your Notion page and builds a clean slide structure. Let AI automatically distribute the content on each slide, or choose card by card to manually assign specific text to each section. You can preserve it as it is, make it more concise, or let AI add more details to your presentation. Gamma enhances your presentation with stunning AI visuals, but you can also upload your own or source them from the web. In Gamma, you don't have to worry about design. Just choose one of the many professional themes or easily customize your own with your brand's colors, fonts, and logo. Check out our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Then click Generate to bring your presentation to life in seconds. Use the Insert menu or the / command to add more components like text layouts, charts, diagrams, and interactive elements. Alternatively, you can use Gamma's AI agent to make changes fast by just typing what you want. Check out our AI editing tutorial to learn more. Click on the Share button to share your presentation with the world via a link. Export in the most popular formats, or even publish it directly to your LinkedIn. You can also pick specific sections to export, giving you precise control over what you share. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.